right now, the fate of the 19-year-old charged in the deadly shooting that starts right here is in the hands of a jury. Closing arguments wrapped up today in the trial of Preston Walls. KCCI's Bo Bowman explains the final messages given to the jury today. Bo?
Well, Scott, what these jury deliberations are going to come down to is whether or not Preston Walls was justified when he shot and killed Rashad Carr and Gianni Dameron. The defense team spoke for more than an hour to the jury today about what led up in the days and weeks leading up to the shooting. They reminded them that Walls saw Dameron with a gun in his pants weeks beforehand, and on January 23rd felt like they were about to start shooting. They argued that if Walls didn't shoot first, he very well could be the one who was dead, and that's why they say it was justified. Now, on the other hand, the prosecutors told the jury to just look at the video, the surveillance video taken. It starts right here, where Dameron is riding around on a bike, making Walls feel uncomfortable, and have the jury decide whether or not that is cause for justified homicide.
But he's riding that bike around and around and around, and that somehow made the defendant, as he said at best, uncomfortable. As if Dameron was going to do some sort of ride-by on this bicycle. Ridiculous.
He rolls up his sweatshirt, he shows him the gun, you can see him do it. He shows him the gun, then he goes to Bakir, it goes down to here. It goes down to here. And he's laughing about it.
Now, the decision is in the hands of the jury. There's no guarantee whether or not they will have a verdict tomorrow when they come back to do more deliberations. But when we do hear back from them in the court, we'll have that verdict here for you on KCCI 8 News and on the KCCI mobile app. We're live in Des Moines. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.